Toddlers throwing food is a common phase of development. It can be frustrating, but patience is key. Toddlers throw food for various reasons, including communication, cause and effect, and attention seeking. To prevent this behavior, offer choices, eat alongside your toddler, put less on their plate, set clear limits. Divert their attention, accept dislikes, take necessary. If nothing works, have a discard plate. Toddlers throw food for fun, to communicate, and to learn cause and effect. Offer choices, eat alongside your toddler, put less on their plate, set clear limits, divert their attention, accept dislikes, take necessary precautions, replace fallen food, and praise them. Toddlers throwing food is a normal phase of development. By understanding why they do it and using the tips provided, parents can prevent this behavior and create a stress-free environment for their child.